Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a very powerful and inspiring book called Laksh, which means goal. This book teaches us one of the most important lessons of life, that without a goal, life has no direction. Just imagine a ship sailing in the ocean without knowing its destination. The wind may be strong, the ship may be powerful, but it will wander aimlessly. The same happens with human life. If you don't have a goal, your energy, time, and efforts will be wasted without creating meaningful results. So friends, in this video, let's dive deep into the key lessons of this book and understand how we can set the right goals, stay disciplined, overcome failures, and ultimately achieve success. 1. Why is a goal necessary? The book begins with a very important truth. Goal is the real identity of a person. Without goals, life becomes directionless. Every day passes without any purpose, and people end up wasting their precious time. But once you set a clear goal, your every small effort and every action moves you closer to your dream. A person with a goal may face challenges, but he never feels lost. He knows why he is working hard, and this clarity gives him strength. 2. The difference between dreams and goals. The author makes a clear distinction between dreams and goals. A dream is only a wish, a thought, or a desire. It is something you imagine. For example, I wish I could become rich, or I wish I could be successful. A goal, on the other hand, is concrete. It is a decision that, I will achieve this, and I will follow this plan step by step. In other words, dreams are imaginary, while goals are actionable. This is why people with only dreams remain stuck in their imagination, while people with goals actually move forward. 3. How to set the right goal. The book suggests that every goal should follow the SMART formula. 1. Clear, specific. You should be crystal clear about what exactly you want. For example, instead of saying, I want success, say, I want to crack the government exam within 2 years. 2. Measurable. You should be able to track your progress. For example, I will read 30 pages daily, or I will save 5,000 rupees per month. 3. Achievable. The goal should be practical and realistic, not something impossible. 4. Relevant. It should be connected to your life purpose and your personal growth. 5. Time bound. A goal without a deadline is just a wish. You must fix a time limit to achieve it. By following these 5 principles, you can set strong and achievable goals that truly change your life. 4. Obstacles and excuses. Whenever you move towards a big goal, obstacles will definitely come. Lack of money, lack of resources, negative people, self-doubt, and fear are common hurdles. The book says that excuses are the biggest enemy of success. I don't have enough time. I don't have money. My family does not support me. These are all excuses that stop you from moving forward. Remember, successful people are not those who never face problems, but those who fight and overcome them. 5. Focus and patience. 2 things are essential to achieve any goal: focus and patience. Focus means to concentrate all your energy on one thing. If you keep changing your goals every few months, you will never achieve anything. But if you dedicate yourself to one goal and keep working on it, success will come. Patience is equally important. Success never comes overnight. Just like a seed takes time to become a tree, your efforts also need time to give results. People who give up quickly lose the game, while those who continue patiently win. 6. The power of discipline. One of the strongest lessons of this book is about discipline. Talent may help you initially, but in the long run, it is discipline that creates extraordinary success. Reading every day, practicing daily, working on your goal consistently. These small habits, when repeated over time, create massive success. As the saying goes, discipline is the bridge between goals and achievements. 7. Learning from failure. Friends, the journey to any goal is not smooth. You will definitely face failures. But the book explains that failure is not the end, it is only feedback. Failure means you discovered one way that doesn't work. The more you fail, the more you learn. And every failure brings you closer to success. The real losers are not those who fail, but those who give up. Winners keep trying again and again until they finally achieve their dream. 8. Small steps lead to big success. The author emphasizes that big achievements are built on small, consistent steps. Reading one chapter daily can make you finish 20 books in a year. Saving a little money every month can make you financially secure. Exercising daily for just 30 minutes can change your health completely. Consistency in small steps creates massive results in the long run. 9. The right mindset for success. The book concludes that more than resources, money, or talent, what you truly need for success is the right mindset. A mindset that refuses to give up. A mindset that treats failures as lessons. A mindset that values discipline and hard work. And most importantly, a mindset that is always focused on the goal. So friends, the message of the book, Laksh, is crystal clear. Life without a goal is incomplete. If you want to change your life, don't just dream, but set a clear goal. Make a plan, follow it with discipline, stay focused, learn from failures, and keep moving forward with patience. Remember, goals are not just about what you achieve. Goals are about what you become in the process of achieving them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will keep bringing you such motivational and life-changing book summaries. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.